If electronic charge E, electron mass m, speed of light in vacuum c, and Planck constant h are taken as fundamental quantities, the permeability of vacuum mu naught can be expressed in the units of. That means they are asking us to write mu naught as a function of electric charge, mass of the electron, speed of the light, and Planck constant. Now, first of all, we will find the dimensional formula of mu naught. We know that 1 by square root of mu naught into epsilon naught is equal to c, nothing but velocity of light. So that implies mu naught is equal to 1 by c square into epsilon naught. Now, so dimensional formula of mu naught is nothing but dimensional formula of c 1 by c square into epsilon naught. Now, F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square by r square, force between two charged particles. So that implies 1 by epsilon naught, dimensional formula of 1 by epsilon naught is equal to dimensional formula of F into r square by q square. That implies dimensional formula of mu naught is equal to, since mu naught equal to 1 by c square into epsilon naught, nothing but 1 by c square into 1 by epsilon naught. So 1 by c square into 1 by epsilon naught, we can write F into r square by q square. Since it is dimensional formula, no need to bother about the constants like 4 pi. Okay. Here c is nothing but velocity of light. So is equal to dimensional formula of F is nothing but ml t power minus 2. Dimensional formula of r square is nothing but L square by dimensional formula of c square is nothing but L t power minus 1 whole square. Q is nothing but, so let's take that one as Q only. Okay, so this is nothing but M. So this is equal to ml t power minus 2 into L square by L square into t power minus 2 into Q square. Right. So here L square, this is not L square, L power 1. L square will get cancelled. So is equal to ml t power minus 2, t power minus 2 will cancel by Q square. So dimensional formula of mu naught is nothing but ml by dimensional formula of Q square. Now, we can write mu naught is equal to, since it is a function of charge of the electron, mass of the electron, C and H, we can write this one as E power alpha, M power beta, C power gamma, and H power X, since it is a function of all these four. So that implies dimensional formula of mu naught is equal to dimensional formula of E whole power alpha, M is mass is nothing but its dimensional formula is M whole power beta, C is nothing but velocity of light, so L t power minus 1 whole power gamma, H is Planck constant. We know that E equal to H into mu, nothing but frequency. That implies E equal to H by T. That implies H equal to E into T. So the dimensional formula of H is ml square t power minus 2 into T. Nothing but ml square t power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of H, Planck constant. So ml square t power minus 1 whole power x. Now, that implies here dimensional formula of mu naught is equal to ml by q square is equal to e power alpha. Here E is nothing but charge of the electron. So here Q I can write E. Dimensional formula of Q square. So I can write this one as E square into M power beta plus X, L power gamma plus 2x and t power minus gamma minus x. Now, left side and right side, compare the powers of m, l, t and e. So that implies if you compare, we can write here 1 by e square is there, here e power alpha is there. So alpha is nothing but minus 2. Next, beta plus x, power of m on right side is nothing but beta plus x, on left side it is 1. So beta plus x equal to 1. Power of L, gamma plus 2x is equal to 1. Power of t minus gamma minus x is equal to 0. From this expression, we can write gamma equal to minus x. Substitute this expression gamma equal to minus x in this equation. Minus x plus 2x is equal to 1. So that implies x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1, gamma will be minus 1. Now substitute x equal to 1 in this equation. Beta plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 will get cancelled. So that implies beta equal to 0. So here we can write alpha equal to minus 2, beta equal to 0, gamma equal to minus 1, x equal to 1. If we take this expression, mu naught is nothing but e power alpha, m power beta, c power gamma, h power x. Mu naught is equal to e power alpha, m power beta, c power gamma, h power x. If you substitute alpha, beta, gamma, x values, we will get mu naught equal to e power minus 2, m power beta 0, c power gamma minus 1, h power x 1. So that implies mu naught equal to h by c into e square. So option C is the correct answer.